Okay, so this video is kind of something I wasn't expecting to record, but wanted ice cream. Boyfriend brought me ice cream, and in the process, Dairy Queen is having a Wonder Woman themed blizzard in honor of 84. I've done one ice cream DC ice cream thing. Cold Stone was doing a trilogy back when BVS came out, and it was like 3 different flavors. But this is strictly just Wonder Woman, but it's brownie batter, cookie dough, chocolate ice cream, and hot fudge. So let me try this before it fully melts on me. I think I threw ice cream at myself. Okay, that is super sweet. And normally I would say no, but since I started my transition, I've gotten a lot weirder when it comes to my cravings. And like, you can ask Haley and Alex, I'm craving a lot of chocolate lately. And this is perfect. It's really good. If you like chocolate and sweets, this would be perfect for you. So it's one of those things. Try it. Yeah. Nothing really more to say about it. It's chocolate ice cream blizzard. So I would try it before it's gone. That's nothing more I can say about it. Thank you.